Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Valentine's Day edition video. Everything that I say will be in the description written out, so be sure to take notes, be sure to check the description. There will be everything that I teach you in this lesson. So let's begin. I'm wearing this shirt because I finally remembered to wear it on this day. Valentine's Day is here, not really celebrated by everyone. It's mostly by younger people, like 30 or younger, I guess. So, Valentine's Day vocabulary. Valentine's Day is Dan zaljubljenih. Zaljubljen means in love, a guy in love. Zaljubljena would be for woman in love. Then, Happy Valentine's Day is srećan dan zaljubljenih. Srećan dan zaljubljenih. For example, I love you would be volim te. I love you too would be I ja tebe volim, or just I ja tebe. I like you would be sviđaš mi se. Sviđaš mi se. I have a gift for you. Imam poklon za tebe. Imam poklon za tebe. Flowers can be cveće, or you can say bouquet of flowers. Bouquet is buket. For example, I brought you your favorite flowers. Doneo sam ti tvoje omiljeno cveće. Doneo, if it's a guy. Well, usually it's a guy who brings flowers to his girlfriend. But donela would be if you're a girl and you brought someone flowers, their favorite flowers. Doneo sam ti tvoje omiljeno cveće. Or donela sam ti tvoje omiljeno cveće. Ovo je za tebe. This is for you. Ovo, this. You can replace ovo with čokolada, cveće, poklon. Čokolada je za tebe. Chocolate is for you. Cveće je za tebe. Flowers are for you. Gift is for you. Poklon je za tebe. Then let me see what else I have here. Yes. I miss you would be nedostaješ mi. Maybe I mentioned that. Not really important. Will you go on a date with me? That's pretty important sentence. Da li želiš da ideš na sastanak samnom? Da li želiš? Do you want da ideš? To go na sastanak. On a date. Samnom, with me. Da li želiš da ideš na sastanak sa mnom? If you want to say that someone means a lot to you, you can say Mnogo mi značiš. You mean a lot to me. Also, if you have any other questions you want to ask. If you want other things, this is really not, this is just fast video because I forgot to make any. I feel like I should have planned this out better, but well, another thing about Valentine's Day, this video is not over yet, so don't go. Valentine's Day, 14th of February, is also one Serbian holiday. It's Saint Trifun, Sveti Trifun. Saint Trifun of Camp Sada, this is what I found out on Google, fast Google search. He is a 3rd century Christian saint. He is venerated, which means he is celebrated by the Roman Catholic and Eastern Orthodox churches as a great martyr and a holy and mercenary. So he's basically celebrated by Roman Catholics and Eastern Orthodox people. So most of Serbs will say that it's Sveti Trifun on this day. Only younger generations will say, will associate this day with Valentine's Day before the Saint Trifun Day. Day is so beautiful. This is on a sunset, but it's cold outside, sadly. If you have any questions about Saint Trifun, Valentine's Day, vocabulary, just ask in the comments, don't be shy. I don't bite yet. And I will research if you have any questions that I don't know answer immediately to. So thank you for watching me, thank you for being my follower or future follower. You can always join. See you next week.